Today, I saw a crow tornado. Driving down 81, my little pink can of mace brushed my inner thigh and told me to look north. So I did. And there it was. I don't know what juicy carcass, what upward draft caused this flock of Davids to cast shadows on my Goliath. But for a brief moment, I was caught in the eye of a plumaged blender. Every morning, I put a word on with each ring that I have, while my boyfriend prays while brushing his teeth. I like my rings a little tight, so that I feel like the only thing separating me from my morals is a little bit of olive oil. And people always ask why I brush my fingers along every surface. And I say, I am pollinating the world with the love seed I have permanently embedded into my pointer finger. What have you done today? And so with vaporous invitation, I thrust my left arm into the blue-gray highway air and trace the bird-studded skyline. I look back into the right rearview mirror and see black smears, and I think, getting your brain pecked out is bad, but being alone is worse.